Hello, it's Miss Linda. My name's Linda, and I'm going to be reading you a story today, a Gaelic story, and teaching you a few Gaelic words too. Our story today is about a Chailleach-oidhche. Chailleach-oidhche. I wonder if you can guess what a Chailleach-oidhche is. I'll give you a few clues. It's a bird, it's nocturnal, and its English name starts with O. Yes, it's an owl. Chailleach-oidhche. Can you all say Chailleach-oidhche? Chailleach-oidhche. Excellent. In today's story, there are lots of dahan too. Dahan, colours. And I'm going to teach you a few of those in Gaelic just now, as we'll see them through our story. FtMG, after me. Sgeulachd. Sgeulachd. Sgeulachd is the Gaelic for red. Sgeulachd. This one's an easy one. Orange. Orange. It's just the same in Gaelic. Buille. Buille. Again, buille. Buille is the Gaelic for yellow. This is uaine. 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 Uaine for green. Gorum. Gorum. Gorum for blue. Purpi. Purpi. Purpi for purple. Agus muirig. And finally, this is another easy one. Pink. Pink. It's just the same. Let's read our story together then. Whoa, Thuirt Chailleach-oidhche. Whoa, said the Chailleach-oidhche. And we'd like to thank Achgar, the publisher, for allowing us to read you the story today and for filming it too. At night, when we're all asleep or going to bed, the Chailleach-oidhche is usually just waking up. Remember, I said she was nocturnal, a Chailleach-oidhche. That's her world, awake all through the night and asleep during the day. She sees very well in the night, the dark, because of her súlan móra, her big eyes. The Chailleach-oidhche loves the darkness. But this Chailleach-oidhche decided she'd like to see what she'd see during the day. So instead of staying awake all night, she slept all through the night and got up in the morning, just when we were getting up too. Oh. Wow, said the Chailleach-oidhche. Can you say that with me? Wow! She couldn't believe her eyes. The sky, when she looked up, was this colour. This was an easy one. Can you remember what that was? The sky was pink. Oh, and it was so bria, so beautiful. What did the Chailleach-oidhche say when she saw the grian, the sun? She said, wow! This is the sun, the grian, and it is buille. Grian, buille, buille. Wow, she had never seen buille before. What a beautiful colour, bria. The Chailleach-oidhche then looked up at the sky and saw it was another bria, another beautiful colour. Wow, said the Chailleach-oidhche. The sky is gorum, and the clouds are gial, another colour, gial. She was sitting in the tree and she looked around her and saw the Thuirt, the leaves. The Chailleach-oidhche shouted, wow! The leaves are beautiful, bria. And do you know what this is? Can you remember this one? They are uaine. uaine, uaine. Clever, very good. Wow, shouted the Chailleach-oidhche again when she saw butterflies flying past. The butterflies were budhia, beautiful, budhia. And they were also Jerak, clever. She then saw the butterflies lying on some beautiful Florichen flowers. Wow, said the Chailleach-oidhche, those Florichen are budhia, beautiful, and they are orange. That was an easy one, orange. Up in the sky, the sky in the clouds turned glass grey, and it started to rain. But the green buie was still shining in the sky. Do you know what happens often when the sun is shining and it's raining? We see something very colourful, torgan or imigach in the sky. Wow, said the Chailleach-oidhche when she saw a boa frosche in the sky. A boa frosch, a rainbow. She saw all the dahan there. Let's go through them together. Jerak, orange, buie, uaine, goram, purpi, agus pink. Wow! They were all budhia, beautiful. She sat looking at the sun setting and watching the moon, the Sgeulachd, rise. And she thought to herself, what a lovely day full of dahan budhia, beautiful colours. But then she looked up and the sky was dark. The runachen were shining, the stars, and Sgeulachd, the moon. Wow, said a Chailleach-oidhche. The sky is so budhia at night too, with the runachen and Sgeulachd. So budhia that I'm going to stay awake all night too, and I'll sleep again in the morning. Well, that was our story about our Chailleach-oidhche and all the dahan budhia, the beautiful colours. And I hope you see plenty dahan budhia this week too. Cheery!